hanging out in Burlington, Vermont. We're at the Bluebird Barbecue Joint. And they're taking their classic Q and running with it.
Got a Pitmaster Ramen, add burnt ends.
Barbecue inside of ramen, normal?
No, however, the flavors really do pair well together.
It has that smoky flavor that's delicious.
We're gonna show you how we make our burnt ends, which is the topping for our Pitmaster Ramen. Season this brisket up with a salt-pepper blend.
This is gonna go on the smoker how long?
15 hours. We started at 220, and then we'll bump it up to 250 for the final 2 hours of the smoking process.
Got it. Let's talk about the beef broth.
So this is actually gonna be a chicken broth. Yes.
Really?
A little different.
All chicken bone.
Just backs and necks. They
Got
have
it.
really great collagen in there.
The collagen is what creates that creaminess.
Then we have onions, carrots, celery, fresh thyme, bay leaves, black peppercorns,
Excellent.
and submerged with water.
How long is this gonna run?
12 hours.
And that's the stock that we're holding for the dashi.
Absolutely. Put in some ginger, a little garlic,
Lemongrass,
soy sauce, bonito flakes, kombu.
cilantro, green onions. All right, how long is this gonna go?
For an hour on high heat, and then we're just gonna drop it for 30 minutes on a simmer and then strain it. We also add lime juice in ours for a little bit of brightness. So here's our brisket.
Gorgeous.
We are going to take the point of it off and chop this up into cubes.
Super tender, not dry.
We cook till an internal temperature of 203.
I can't have this. I only cooked at 202. I can't have it.
Our Pitmaster rub, Texas-style barbecue sauce right
That you make in-house also.
Yes.
Back to the smoker.
For 1 hour at 250. So we're assembling our Pitmaster ramen right now.
Okay.
Drop our pre-blanched ramen noodles in our dashi broth.
Where are the noodles from?
Sun Ramen Company out of Hawaii.
Those
They're
are
the
the
best.
ones.
Our 6-minute egg.
I can only have a 4.3276519 egg.
On high heat or low heat?
That's on medium.
Noodles and broth right into our bowl. Pickled carrot that we do in-house. Pickled jalapeno, also done in-house. Shaved radishes.
Which we did at the barber shop.
Some chopped scallions. And then comes our burnt ends. Fresh cilantro, toasted sesame oil. That is how we do ramen.
Yeah, just what I expected to see when I walked into the old Bluebird. Oh, you guys are still here? I was having a shovel fest. The dashi broth is spot on, and it's actually a little more aggressive than maybe a typical dashi because you're gonna drop in these big pieces of burnt end, which I was so worried was just gonna turn into a smoke pit. It doesn't.
Absolutely not.
Love the acid of the pickling and a really good noodle.
Yeah.
Legit, bro.
Noodles going in.
The meat is so tender and juicy. It's got that umami, the whole sweet and sour and deliciousness.